Hey guys, welcome to AngularJS tutorial. So in the previous session, we have learned what a controller is and how it works in AngularJS, like the basic structure of MVC we have understood in AngularJS. So in this session, what we'll do, we'll learn more about controllers with a nice example. So we'll get more clarity, like how it works. So let's go ahead and do it. So what I'll do is, um, okay, I'll create 4 buttons. So just keep on watching. So button, and then I'll give ng click, like on the click of this button what should happen. So I'll just copy it and paste it like 3 to 4 times, depends on the number of button you want. So okay, suppose what I want to do is on the screen I want to display 4 buttons with anything on the button. So for example, let's say fruits. Okay, fruits. So you want the user to select the fruit, the user's favorite fruit. You want the user to select. So what you'll do is you have created 4 buttons, and now um, okay. So you can type a here as your favorite fruit is, and then in double curly braces you can write fruit. So okay, I'm just saving it for now. Okay, now the first thing is, for writing the controller, just define a script tag. Okay, and okay. Okay, so I'll give here some function names so that on the click of this button where it should go, I mean which function it should call. So I'll just give some function name over here. So let's say first I'll give as okay, let's say orange, and here I'll give the name as orange, and then here I'll give as banana, and here again I'm giving as banana, and here I'll give let's say cucumber. Yeah guys, cucumber is a fruit. Okay, so okay, cucumber, then again here I'll keep it as cucumber, and here we can keep it as tomato. Yes, again tomato is a fruit, not a vegetable, so tomato. Okay, I'm saving it. So now you have understood, right? Like, if you click on this button, then this function should be called. And if you click on this button, then this function should be called. So now we need to, define these functions. If this function is called, then what should happen? So for that, we need to, write the logic in the script. So, okay, what I'll do is I'll define here Angular dot module. Here we need to give the app name, and then app dot controller. Here we need to give the controller name, and okay, from here I'll remove this square bracket, I'll close it. So what I'm gonna do is first I'll give uh, app name, so my app. Just copy it and paste it over here. Okay, here we are supposed to give the app name over here, and then we need the controller name also. So here we'll define a controller. Okay, so I'll give it as my controller. Just copy it and paste it over here. Okay, so guys, what I'll do is I'll just check for now, how it looks, this much code, how it looks. So reload this page, go to start.html and reload. So orange, banana, cucumber, tomato. So if now, for now, if you click on these, nothing will happen because we have not defined that tag, what it displays and all. So what we need to do is we need to define the functions. So let's go and do it. So here I need to pass the scope, then only I can go ahead. So what I'll do is scope dot, first I'll write for this function orange. So orange, so it's a function, right? So function, and what this function should do is it should replace this text with, you can replace this text with whatever text you want. So I'll do is I'll just write scope dot fruit. So it will replace fruit by whatever the name I give over here. So I'll give it as orange because this function I've created to display orange. So okay, so likewise we can do for all the other buttons. So what I'm doing is I'm just copying it and pasting it again and again, so 4 times because we have given 4 buttons. So orange, then banana. Okay, here again we'll give it as banana, and here we'll give it as cucumber. Here again we need to give it as cucumber. Then we are left with the tomato, and here again tomato. So guys, it's pretty simple. What we have done is we have created a controller, and here we have defined like 4 buttons: orange, banana, cucumber, tomato, and whatever you can take, whatever you want you can take. And on the click of these buttons I have called a function, and these functions I have defined in the controller, like what these functions should do. So I have given a random variable name over here which will be replaced by any name you want under the functions. So let's go and check how if it's working or not. So I'll go here, I'll just reload this page. Let's go and click orange, banana, cucumber, tomato. So guys, now I guess you have understood pretty well, like how the controller works. So the same thing, this file you can this script thing, you can include it, you can write a separate file for this, and then you can include that JS file over here in writing as script source, and like controller.js or whatever. So these are like 2 ways you can write over here, or you can give a separate file. So this was all about controllers. See you in next tutorial. Thank you.